Welcome, my name is Nicholas, and in this video tutorial, we're going to show you together how to easily use an absolute cell reference in Excel. We will use this feature mainly when we need to keep a constant reference to a cell in a formula. So let's not waste any time and let's demonstrate it. We will go through everything step by step. We'll use this table as an example. Let's say we want to calculate what portion of the total sales are represented by the values for each vendor in percentages. First, we click in the cell where we want the result to appear. We click in cell D3. Now we need to divide the number of sales for salesperson Abby by the total sales. We will enter an equal sign. We will add cell C3 to the formula. We enter the slash sign and click on the cell in which we calculated the total number of sales. That is, we select cell C8. We press enter and check that the result is correct. Now we need to format the result correctly. Let's go to the Home tab. And we'll click on the percent sign. We have the result formatted correctly. Now we want to copy the formula to the remaining rows and calculate the percentages for the other suppliers. We click on the cell and drag the bottom right corner. Excel has shown us an error. What happened? What happened was that Excel used what is called a relative cell reference by default. This means that the formula in cell D3 still uses references to cells C3 and C8. So the correct result will only be shown to us in that row. If we expand the following formula, we can see that the cell references have shifted. The formula contains a reference to cell C4, which is correct, but the second reference is to cell C9, which is empty. We need the formula to reference cell C8. This is because this value contains the value of the total number of sales. So let's see how we can modify this formula to make it correct. Now we need to use an absolute reference to the cell, so that we can be sure that each row will contain the correct value. We need to lock the reference to cell C8 in the first row, so that it doesn't change when we copy it to subsequent lines. We click into cell D3. We will set the cursor to the C8 reference. Press the Fn and F4 keys. When we reference cell C8, the dollar signs will be displayed. So we have the cell reference locked. If we got it right, press enter. And we can safely copy the formula to the next lines. We click on the cell again and drag it to the bottom right corner. Great! We now have the percentages calculated correctly. If we look at the copied formulas, we can see that the reference to cell C8 is used in every line. It was easy, wasn't it? If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. Want to learn how to work better with Excel? If yes, then in that case don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you in the next video.